How to use Huobi Futures Trading feature. First of all, open the app on your device. From the dashboard, tap on the Futures option at the bottom menu. Next, if it's your first time using this feature, you may need to activate Futures Trading by completing a short agreement or risk acknowledgement. Once that's done, you will enter the Futures interface. Here you can select between USDT margined or coin margined contracts depending on the type of futures trading you want to perform. Then tap on Transfer to move your funds from your spot wallet to your futures account. Next, select your token and enter the amount you want to transfer. After that, tap on the Transfer button to confirm. Once your funds are transferred, choose your desired trading pair such as BTC or USDT or Ethereum or USDT and select the leverage level that suits your trading strategy. Be careful when adjusting leverage, as higher leverage increases both potential profits and risks. Now you can choose between limit order, market order or trigger order to open your position. Once the position is active, you can monitor it in the Positions tab where you will see details like entry price, margin and unrealized profit or loss. To close your trade, tap on Close Position and your profit or loss will be settled automatically. You can also manage stop loss or take profit levels directly from the position interface to control your risks. Now you know how to use the Huobi Futures Trading feature effectively. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.